Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to add link in a button. So to do this, let's say I have right here HTML and here we want to add a button, so we have a tag called button. Okay, now go to the browser, right click on it and click on open in browser, and here you can see I have a button. Click here to download, but it does not it's not functionable, right? If we click here, it doesn't do anything. If you want to want this button as clickable, then you have to mention here an attribute is called on click, and inside on click we'll say document dot location. I mean, when somebody click on this button, then where should it go? So location, and then inside the single quotation we have to give the location URL. So for just example, I am going to give it youtube.com or maybe facebook.com to just give you the example, right? So this is you can give the your file destination. I mean, when someone click on it, then where should it go? Let's say someone click on its click on sign up, right? So if it is if they click on sign up, then you should give the link of the sign up page, right? So I have write youtube.com, and now save it and let's go to the browser. Here if I click on it, then you can see youtube.com. okay, let me just give the proper URL is https:/youtube.com. now let's go here. Okay, TPS hypertext transfer protocols. Okay, and refresh. Okay, so go to the back and refresh it and just click on here, click here to download, and as you can see we are in the YouTube. So this is how you can add clickable button in HTML, right? We have another option. Let's say let me show you. Let's say we want to add button here, and inside the button we will write anchor tag, and inside anchor tag we will say that click here, and we will give reference here, and the reference should be this one. But that time, okay, let me just show you in browser. Go to the browser and go back. So as you can see, it is also a button, but here you can see we have a line. This is called underline. So how to remove it? We have to just do some CSS here. We can do inline CSS, like we can use attribute called style, and we have to write here text decoration none, right? And now if I go to the browser and refresh here, as you can see both are same, right? And we can change the color also. Let's just change it color black. Now refresh it, both are same, right? So in these two ways you can add a button in your project or HTML file. One is using on click and another one is using anchor tag. So if you found this video is helpful for you, then make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.